Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Only in the Zone YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the coming moment because market moving very volatilely. There are so many of them even losing money and earning money, but some of them are confused whether they have to take a buy or sell and then no trade. They are in the confusion zone. So let me clear everything with the help of our GAN technique. So if we take as per GAN technique, so market falling from the top, so it has reached our buy. So this was our positional buy level where 35 300 has acted as a support, and I've informed in the Telegram channel whether like if price goes 34,969 below, then there will be bearishness. Otherwise, market can reverse from bottom. So now it is reversed. So now I'm expecting the minimum target of 36,864 in the Bank Nifty. So after that, I can like you can try to sell even if you get any selling pattern in the smaller time frame. There is a possibility of fall towards 35,700, then bounce back, or it can fall even further down since there is a technical reason. So now in the higher time frame, technically in the higher time frame, market making a head and shoulder pattern. So now it is in the correction mode. So maybe around this level or some more level it can move and can fall further down. So as per head and shoulder rule, we have to take sell only break this level. So taking sell here risky, and you have to keep stop loss above this level. There may be a chance even Bank Nifty can move higher high. Okay, so taking a sell aggressively it is not suggested, since again we need some pattern in the smaller time frame here, so towards the fall. So as per GAN number, now it took a buy and moving higher high. So I'm expecting the price to reach this 36,864 and then fall towards 35,700. In case any reversal pattern again at this level, then we can go aggressive sell. There is a possibility of another like the whatever the point moved up, the same can reverse. So this is the one end we got from the GAN numbers. So this was the continuous fall now. So again there is a recovery towards this, and again I'm expecting a fall. So even if the fall has to get invalid, we have to keep the stop loss just above this level, 37 to 49. Around 37,300 we can keep a stop loss for selling. So in case this 37,300 taken out, then we can expect a all-time high. Again there is a new high possibility. So don't give this much of stop loss now. So since you are taking head and shoulder pattern the higher time frame, don't give huge stop loss. Just keep this as a stop loss level, and price reaches this level, then you try to sell even the smaller time frame. 5 minutes pattern also work, so you can do selling in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty as of now it is bullish, almost near the reversal zone. The new reversal point is this, and it has to fall from here towards down. So since there is a huge bullish move in the morning, so there will be a profit booking fall also. At least intraday we can capture around 300-400 points for this fall. And again, if it is moving up, then no issues. We have to keep the stop loss at this level. And we'll see Nifty also. Nifty, as I earlier said, I said in the YouTube video that Nifty reached sell level and it has to fall minimum 14,600 to 14,400, and Nifty already fell till 14,641. This is also our buy zone, and 14,400 also our buy zone. So from here it is reversing. Again I'm expecting this 15,129 range. So this is the range I'm expecting. So tomorrow if market reaches this level, then try to sell. Again there is a fall towards 14,600 also possible. Even if you get any reversal pattern in the smaller time frame, you try to sell at this level. Actual sell level is 15,376. And this is the short, like the intraday you can try, but positionally if you want to take sell, then you have to wait till 15,376. and for that we need to keep a stop loss above 15,625. So this is the range, the stop loss for selling. So even Nifty also making lower low, and again if comes lower high, then again the possibility of lower low. So try to sell even Nifty. Buying, I don't think so now. Buying it is suggested since it is nearing the resistance or the distribution zone. So market can fall after hitting this level. So be careful. If you are looking for a buy, don't buy now until you get the confirmation of 15,600. Okay, so now try to sell at this level. Look for a selling pattern. Even head and shoulder works, and even double top also fine. And any pattern in the smaller time frame, 30 minutes also it will be possible. So I'm expecting the fall towards, so from here and it can fall further 14,400. So this is what I'm expecting the Nifty also. So since market moving highly volatile in the upside, even some news came from finance minister. So these are all the positive factor for the market. So anyway, as for me, it is selling at this level. So again, it has to come down. So even if the Nifty wants to move higher, then it has to break 15,600. Whoever in the positional sell side, please hold your position until this level taken out. So now it is in the sell, clear sell mode. So maybe selling is suggested. So wait for a selling pattern, then sell it. I always suggest, always wait for a pattern to be activated. Even Bank Nifty yesterday I said, and today also I messaged, if you're getting any selling pattern, go buy. So this is what the selling pattern today. There was a trend line breakout, and breakout retest, market started moving higher. And even yesterday itself I have given a level, the buying. You can have a look. So market slightly making a higher rise, and there was a trend line, and the trend line breakout easily broken and opened above and tested again and started moving up. So that is the reason I was in buy side. So always look for a pattern to be activated. So without pattern, don't trade. The pattern will suggest you the best option. And like tomorrow, if I get Bank Nifty at 36,864, I'll be interested to sell. So I may expect around 300 to 400 point fall minimum. Even market can be volatile at this level since it is a distribution zone. So this is the level you have to watch out for tomorrow expiry, and it is a monthly expiry also. Please be careful. And for Nifty, it has to reach minimum 15,129. This is the level it has to reach. So if it has formed any selling pattern, try to sell minimum this 14,884 possible. That means around 300 points. Okay, even for the intraday we may get it. So try to do it, and don't sell without any confirmation, because blind sell, it is always dangerous. Market moving very violently in the upside. So thank you for watching this, and trade with carefully. And even my blog, I'm mentioning the levels. So watch, if you want, if you can follow that also. Thank you all.